Hi, good morning. Good morning. The bedding is in the washer.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
You know, I seen it through the thing. Hey, you. Yeah, you. You ready? All right. Good morning, guys. It's currently. I'm recording on my phone. It's what does. Oh, there it goes. It's 9:28, and I'm actually pulling up to the crib right now. You dig what I'm saying when I say what I say. If this is you guys' first time, I've not brushed my teeth either, by the way. So I'm not even about to lie to y'all. But this is you guys' first time ever watching my channel. I'm not. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Make sure you guys turn you guys post notification bell so you guys notified every single time I post. I literally just post daily vlogs every day. I just take y'all along with me, y'all family. I'm family, you dig what I'm saying? Like, and I just love you guys, so I just take you guys along. But yes, I just put up to the cribbo. I don't really know what's on the agenda for today, but I've been staying with one of my best friends for a minute now, and so so I've been with Pointer for a minute, and so I just been chilling. So now I'm finally getting back home. I haven't even been back home after I officially moved out of the crib in LA. And so I'm just trying to like do all this stuff. I definitely do need to unload my car. I need to keep on looking for, I need a place to live. So I need to look for that. And then I don't know what else is on the agenda for today. Someone is going to come to clean the crib, or not to clean, but he's going to come fix something with something. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys that. And then I'll show you guys once like I'm just getting ready, or I don't know, day in a little life. I'll show you guys in a little bit. Guys, don't mind my fit. But literally, look at my dogs. I know. I know you guys hear them. Hold up. I know. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, cows. Hi, I know. Hi, good morning. Good morning, cow. Cow, where you go? I know. Oh, I know. I missed it, you guys. I know. Oh, I think she's leaving. Oh. What's wrong? What was this, excited? I was so excited. Alright, y'all. So I put my first load in, and then I have to do some laundry right here. Then we're gonna walk over to that door. So I'm gonna walk over to this spot. And then I'm gonna walk over to this bag. I gotta put all this stuff away in the fridge. You dig what I'm saying when I say what I said? Oops, skis. Yes, sir, ski. Oh, look at her eyes. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Oh, one gets jealous of the other. I have to show both love. Hi, beautiful. Yay. Okay. Let me wash my hands so I can put these groceries away. I got some rolls of it. Hit the TikTok dance for me. Everybody two-step in this mug. Yay. Two-steppers. All right, let me stop because the dogs are starting to breathe hard, which means they think it's time to play, and it's not.
you're doing now. Baby, now we can coast. Let's go, let's go. Let's not get in a hurry. No, no, that's too slow. Hey, go ahead and put that thing in motion. I want you to ride.
Alright, y'all, so I finally got done putting the stuff in the refrigerator. And now I just took the rest of the stuff outside, but I'm actually gonna just start picking up these random little things. My dogs play so much, and so there's just so many toys around the crib, not even around the crib, the heck, around the backyard, and so I'm really just putting them away. And this is the worst part of the day because the dogs always think I'm trying to play, and I'm not. I'm just trying to clean up. And so yeah, it looks really different also. Like, I haven't been here in a minute, and so they pulled out the grass, they pulled out the tree, like they pulled out everything, and so everything looks a lot different. I'm super excited for what we got in store, you dig, and what God is helping us build over here, baby. You dig what I'm saying when I say what I said? Oops skis. Oops. Good girl, cows. Y'all are some real OGs. Y'all know what it looked like before, but now it's looking a lot different. And so I'm just looking for poop to see if I could pick up some poop. Anything I could do to just help my family around. My mom and my family, they always take care of Callie without me asking. Like I said, I've been with Pointer for a while, and so just trying to clean up the house a little bit. I know some dishes in here can be put away, so I'm gonna just do a few things around the cribble. You do what I'm saying. And then actually, out of breath. And then actually, when I was looking at the, Cal went from her poop straight to eating. After I was putting away the stuff in the fridge, remember our dates to calendar thing, and actually my brother has his academic signing day today at 6 p.m. so that's also what we're gonna be doing today, so stay tuned. You okay, Kyle? All right, my room is getting there, y'all. The bedding is in the washer. But this needs to get redone, so when you guys see this next, it's gonna look a lot better. All right, y'all. I'm about to brush my teeth. I just put in the second load. No, I just put in the third load. I'm doing a total of 5 loads. Sorry, Mom, if you're watching this. I will give you some money, but yeah, I'm extremely tired, guys. Like I said, on my third load, I have my blanket in there, and then my actual comfort and everything is in the dryer right now, and then my first dark load is in the washer. I actually got done vacuuming and all that good stuff, and so now, like I just said, I'm about to brush my teeth. You dig what I'm saying when I say what I said? Oops, skis. The girl's out of here. Excuse me. All right, y'all. I'll be back. All right, y'all. So we just got to the banquet. We just got to the academic signing. So I'll show you guys once again the inside. I know I sound like I just woke up. I literally did just wake up. But yeah, I threw a little fit. I'll show you guys. Check it out. But yeah.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
You know, I seen it through the thing. Oh, so there must be like 4 people for. Where do you want to go? You want to come over here?
Oh, we can go over there.
God, like Norco College.
Annual academic signing. I'm Dr. Kenny Torres, and I'm the proud principal of Santiago High School. I'm very excited for this event every year, and this morning we've already had some excitement with our seniors walking at their elementary schools, and I had the pleasure of being at Susan B. Anthony, and our seniors were rock stars to those elementary kids. It was such an amazing morning. We're excited to present the class of 2023 to you, so let's get started.
During their high school career. And that's really the whole idea behind the academic signing, to shine some light, a big, bright light, on the academic achievement of our students here at Santiago. So let's get this party started. We will be introducing our seniors by the college or university they will be attending. Once the student's name is called, they will proceed to their designated table. Once all our commitments have been celebrated, the class of 2023 will sign their commitment certificate together. Once you sign your certificate of commitment, we will be raffling off some great prizes. Attending the university. Hannah Friedman. Aaliyah Washington.
Go, son!
Natalie Brandenburg. Attending Azusa Pacific University. Michael Padilla.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand and welcome our choir and national anthem. Tonight is an exciting time. You've seen all the hard work that they've put in, and you've been around, you've put on over the last 4 years, and this is their reward. Students, we are so proud of you and all the hard work that you've done. Before we sign, cameras, go ahead and sign. To extend our program,
Gang there, boy. Alright, y'all, so this is the ASU little thing. You did what I said. Alright, I'm gonna get a picture real quick. Mom, how did you like a little ceremony? A little academic signing day?
Everything was good, minus the fact that I didn't get a program.
That's okay.
But other than that, it was amazing.
Yay.
Super fun.
Alright, y'all, so that is the end of today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys turn your guys post notification bells so you guys notified every single time I post. You think what I'm saying when I say what I said? Skis. What? Hopefully. Nope, we didn't go this way. So yeah, y'all. See you tomorrow. I also wanted to show you guys that I cleaned this. It looks a lot better. I know before I looked a lot worse, so it looks a lot better. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys start skiing.